but consequences for people. Sweet, sweet, those tires. No diggy, diggy hole. Oh, there's the diggy, diggy hole. Not digging. Gonna go over that way. They're honking at me. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. What? 40 miles an hour. The speed limit. Have a great day. Huh? Well, with taxes and stuff, I bought it brand new. It was $5 grand. Yeah? 114 miles to the gallon. She wanted to know how fast this goes and how much it costs. And since I bought it brand new, birthday gift to me, I worked dang hard for it. It's worth every penny. Sure, I could have found one used for dirt cheap. Crafter. You're already my friend, I see yarn. I see a minivan approaching. Thank you for letting me go ahead. The wrong side of the road. That either side could be food teals. Oh, I see what they're doing. Let's stay out of the craters. It's my Friday. Friday fun day. Friday. Say hi to the construction man. That band does not look sketch at all, does it? Susan's back in his driveway. I'm still going around here, son. Look at the pretty sunflowers. I wish I could grow some. bored by them. I'm not cool enough, and that's fine. I feel bad for them. So they want. Yeah, you didn't see me. That's all good. Oh, that turn felt so awesome. Right, too good for a signal. And I'm gonna be here for a minute unless somebody wants to turn left with me. Let's be friends. Anybody want to get into the left turn lane with me? Yay, I made a friend. It's a marshmallow. Oh, never mind. Too good to be true. I'll be here forever. Oh, never mind. Whee! Here we go. Oh, that was such a good turn. Oh, your door is open. Dude, your door is swinging open. Oh, your door is open. Dude, your door is swinging open. Oh my god. Ah. Oh, hey, friend. He's got to focus. He's all wave. Oh, he nodded. Isn't cute? Oh, I think we saw him at the gas station on Memorial Day. That was cool.